Good morning from Cienfuegos in Cuba. It is just before sunrise and this video starts right now. Let's go. And good morning once again from the streets of Cienfuegos. Today we are exploring this city, which I think you may have heard of, but it's a bit lesser known in regard to like tourism and exploring. Because we're doing kind of hidden, abandoned locations, more of like the style that we did in Havana in the first video. So hopefully we'll find some cool interiors, some cool buildings here in Cienfuegos. And then we're heading to Trinidad. And Trinidad is a beautiful colonial city here in Cuba. Absolutely super photogenic. So I'm sure that we'll find a lot of really nice photos in Trinidad. So lots to look forward to in this video. But first we're gonna be exploring Cienfuegos and see if we can find something a little bit different here in Cuba. Yes guys, good morning once again. This is the accommodation where we're staying in Cienfuegos, a very unique colonial house up on the second floor of one of the old buildings here in the city. And it's actually two homes that have been converted into one unique Airbnb kind of accommodation style. Funny that Airbnb can operate in Cuba, a whole other story. But yeah, this is a very cool accommodation and a pretty photogenic house all in itself. But we are gonna go outside and explore a bit more of some of the bigger buildings in Cienfuegos. But yeah, look at this stuff. Very, very cool. A lot of details here. A lot of details that you can photograph. We are on the rooftop of the Palasio Ferrer. This is one of the colonial heritage style buildings in Cienfuegos. Absolutely beautifully built building. And funny enough, it's actually pretty hard to photograph. It's more of a museum nowadays. So it looks great on camera on the B-roll. And as you can see, it's pretty cool, but very hard to photograph. So it is what it is. Next up, we're gonna go to the theater. Next stop is the Thomas Terry Theater. This is a national monument here in Cienfuegos. This is one of the rooms of the entrance to the theater. And then look at this theater. This is pretty cool. Puedes sentir aquí si quieres. Sí.
Welcome to the Palasio Deval. This is an absolute gem right on the coast in Cienfuegos. And actually, there's a lot of photographs to be had inside. I've actually just guided the group around the space. And to be honest with you, there's a mix of styles as well. We are talking about Art Nouveau, we're talking about grand architecture, Baroque and Art Nouveau. As you can see, as you move through the space, you've got some beautiful stained glass windows, a beautiful restaurant space downstairs, but most of the upstairs is actually not used. As you move through room to room, the style and the architecture changes. You're now actually in a Baroque style themed room. Whether or not the art piano fits there, I'm not too sure, but actually as you move then into this one, you move into more of an Art Nouveau style. So it's themed. It was a private palace, so people that had plenty of money up on the coast here would have docked ships, they would have moved ships into the space and actually emptied stuff into here, so wealth. Beautiful space, lots of nice arty shots, and we're photographing it for about 2 hours.
What a spot we've got here. This is an incredible find by Mr. James Kerwin. If you guys don't recognize who that just was, that is a British architecture photographer, James Kerwin, who I've partnered up with to run hidden photo tours. And we've been doing this for a couple of years now. And this is the first run here in Cuba. And we plan on coming back here in February. That trip is already sold out, which is awesome. And hopefully a few more times after that too, because there is a lot to photograph here. It is absolutely awesome. And yeah, he did a great job explaining this building, and I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off, getting some photos and helping the crew here get a number of wide angle unique images, because there are so many in this place. And now it's time for dinner, because it happens to also be a restaurant. How awesome is that? Photo location, privately booked for 2 hours, and then we get to follow it up with dinner in a palace. I mean, come on. And look at this dramatic sky here behind me. This is the end of a pretty cool day in Cienfuegos. It's been another adventure in Cuba, looking for hidden locations and scouting our way through Cienfuegos with a great group of photographers too. We've got a number of people who put their trust in myself and in James to lead a great tour and be able to make these videos behind the scenes for you guys while doing it. And so far, everything's going really, really well, including today. So I'm actually going to end this video now from here in Cienfuegos, because as much as I thought I was going to add Trinidad, it's getting too long as is usual. So I'm going to cut it off now, and got one more video to film for part of this series from our next location, which is Trinidad in Cuba, one of the most popular spots in the country. And hopefully we'll find some very hidden photo locations in that town. So you got lots to look forward to. It's going to be awesome. And I will see you in that next video from Trinidad, Cuba.